Have you ever felt this? Someone you love is in pain and instantly your heart wants to fix everything. You can't rest until they are okay. Even if it drains you, you still show up because that's who you are. But sometimes the more you try to help, the more chaos you invite into your own peace. Deep down, you ask yourself, why does love always feels like a responsibility? This video is your reminder that love doesn't mean losing yourself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Priya Pal, author, content creator and soul coach. Here I share from my own experiences. We talk about emotional awareness, healing and living with purpose. Today we are talking about something every empath or sensitive soul faces: how to love without losing yourself, because sometimes our heart wants to protect everyone, but in that process we forget how to protect our own peace. When your heart is pure, you think love means saving everyone, protecting family, fixing situation, healing pain. But here's the truth no one told us: when you keep jumping into everyone's fire, you start burning too. Sometimes the universe doesn't want you to help, it wants you to witness. Every soul, your brother, your parents, your friends, came here with their own lesson. By taking away their pain, you sometimes take away their chance to grow. When you hear someone is hurt, your body reacts instantly. Your heart melts, you forget your peace, your promises, your path. Remember this: you can love deeply without rescuing. You can care without controlling. That's called detached compassion. It's not coldness, it's called maturity of the soul. When the savior energy rises, take a deep breath and whisper, everyone is on their soul journey. I can love them without carrying their karma. I can care without interfering. I trust the divine is guiding them, just like it's guided me. You are not abandoning them, you are trusting God's plan for them. If the divine could handle your storms, it can handle theirs too. So what do you do instead of fixing? Stay grounded, pray instead of panic, listen instead of lecture. When they come to you, help. When they don't, respect their silence. The most powerful thing you can ever do for someone is to keep your own energy clean and calm. Your peace becomes their healing frequency. I know it's not easy. There will still be moments when someone you love, your brother, your parents, or a close friend gets hurt, and every part of your heart wants to rush in and protect them. In that moment, close your eyes and say, this isn't my battle. My peace protects everyone I love. You are not selfish for protecting your peace. You are wise for trusting divine timing. Real love isn't about fixing others. It's about being so centered in yourself that your calm energy becomes their silent medicine. So choose peace over proving, presence over fixing, and detach compassion, because that's how love becomes unconditional. You know, for the longest time, I was the girl who wanted to fix everything. My mom, my dad, my brother, my friends. If anyone was in pain, I would drop everything just to make them feel okay. I thought that's what love means: to help, to heal, to protect. But slowly I realized something painful. People kept taking and no one ever stopped to ask if I was okay. There were days I cried quietly, wondering why the same people I cared for left my messages unseen or vanished when I needed them. Maybe that's how the universe teaches us boundaries, not through books but through heartbreak. Now I understand. Don't help unless someone asks. If a person truly needs help, they will voice it. You can't heal people who aren't ready to face their pain. You can only love them from peace, not from pressure. I am sharing this reminder not out of resentment but out of awareness. We need to balance our empathy to respect our own heart as much as we respect others. Being kind doesn't mean being drained. It took me many lessons to learn this, but finally I'm not the fixer. I am the observer, calm, compassionate and free. If this message touched your heart, share with someone who gives too much. Remind them they are allowed to love without losing themselves. Thank you so much for watching.